$12 to...
Well, we made it.
I don't know.
We are here. Just picking up the car now, and Chrissy's just dealing with that. I'm trying to get my roaming, my data roaming to turn on, having some issues with that, but so far so good. It's gorgeous here. Super humid, a little different than 20 below that it was this morning when we left. We are on the road and we are headed to Dragon View Estates. Driving's pretty crazy here so far, but gorgeous out though. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Everyone's super nice.
So nice.
Yeah, really like it so far. It's pretty brown here right now, but I guess that this is their burned season or burnt season. Everything's kind of brown. And then when it turns into the rainy season, that's when everything gets like super green. But regardless, it's gorgeous here.
Looks like Africa. Like I'm expecting a lion to be out there.
Yeah. And we rented this Toyota. It's so gutless. This thing's so gutless. Palm trees. Well, folks, should we go for a tour? Come on, let's go. Okay. This will be our home for the next little while. One bedroom. The view. Bathroom. Other bedroom. Chrissy. Another bathroom. That's outside, we'll save that. Go into the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Got everything we need. Yeah, let's head outside. Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, the bathroom goes outside. This is the view. Here's the pool. Swim some laps. One more look at the ocean here. Birds up there. Nice little fire pit. Tree. This is the master, and this will be our view waking up every morning. Pretty awesome. Cool. Any shower, bathroom. And that's about it. So this is our view for lunch. Slash breakfast. Slash everything else. They got all sorts of things. I'm getting the beef fajitas. Chrissy's getting some penne pasta. Looks pretty good. They got a lot of pasta dishes. A lot of sea bass, shrimp and rice. I almost went with the shrimp and rice. But
tomorrow they get fresh fish in.
Yeah, tomorrow they get fresh fish. So I think tomorrow we'll come back and do some lobster and some of that. But it looks really nice here.
It sucks that the tide's out.
Yeah, the tide's out right now.
Really nice with the building.
Yeah. At low tide right now. If the tide was in, it'd be gorgeous. Yeah, this would be all right, hey? No, where? One sec. Everyone's got their name carved in the tree. I don't know, it kind of sounds like it. Is there? Oh, there is.
Crab?
Where? Is it moving?
I don't know.
Where?
I think it might be a rock.
Oh, it's probably a rock. Where'd you see the coconut starting? Hammock? This place is awesome.
Oh, there's some big ones.
Oh, yeah.
They start like little acorns, eh?
Yeah.